my question, the needs assessment, it's 20 deadline tomorrow, so I'm ready to drop the complaint on Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yep. So do I just use the standard EHCP template, or should I add any specifics? You know, is it just a waste of time and effort adding specifics in a bit of a sob story, or do I just use the template to log?
They're not going to be interested in your sob story because they hear it all the time.
Yeah, template. I just use the template. Your timeline in there is quite useful, particularly if you have reminded your caseworker and things like that. You know, if you can just put in, this happened on this day, this happened on this day, no reply, this happened on this day, no reply, this happened on this day, no reply.
Yeah, if you've got a chronological history of you chasing and the emails that you've sent, then put that in. Keep it very factual, rather than wanting to spout your anger and your frustration at them. That won't make any difference to them at all. They hear it all the time. Unfortunately, a caseworker's got hundreds of children, hundreds of parents on their caseload, and they will it's just for them, it's like, well, we just don't hear it, we're not listening. So keep to the facts, keep to the time scales, keep to where they have missed, and use your chronological history of evidence again to show where you've been chasing this and where you've not had a response.